tanong. This is from Chad Rosete of Manila Feed. Sa bigat po ng casting plus bonggang location, gaano kalaki ang production at budget ng series na ito? And share with us your experience. This is for you. Directing Daniel, Richard, and Maurice. Gaano kahirap for you? Grabe naman yung gaano kahirap. Pero dito muna tayo sa budget. Yes, gaano po kalaki?
We have enough, but di ba laki nung show? But with the help of everyone here, lahat sila talaga cooperative, team players. Di ba? Hindi kami nahihirapan. So, maximize namin yung taping hours namin, nagagawa namin yung dapat namin gawin because everybody is cooperative. Malaking bagay yun. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Ang professional. Siyempre, hindi naman natin masasagot yung actual figure. But Ms. Des, would you say, siyempre, you're the business unit head of Star Creators. Would you say this is one of the series na may one of the biggest budgets po sa ating history? Kasi nakita natin yung trailer, gabi. Opo.
Tama lang, pero meron kaming way to do things. Kaya ganyan siya kalaki, pero okay naman yung budget.
Oh,
Gusto ko yung answer
wow.
niya, okay lang yung budget.
Yes.
Sometimes there's times na kailangan mag-save din. Save on
Yes,
expenses.
yes,
Alam natin yan.
Tinalinuhan po ng Star Creatives to. Kita nyo, di ba? Ang laki ng budget, pero tinalinuhan natin yan. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
yeah.
Ako po, sa tagal ko na sa showbiz, ito yung pinakamalaking nagawa ko na project. Hindi talaga, kasi I mean, the locations, we shot in Nido, Italy, and grabe yung scenes and boats and yung mga sabugan and all the effects. Sobrang laking, aside from the cast. So, sa akin personally, this is the biggest series na I've made.
We felt it nga po dun sa trailer. May pagyate pa bigla, mga ganun. Grabe talaga. Okay, Derek Lester, would you like to add to that?
When it comes to budget, I may say we are very fortunate with the support of ABS-CBN. Hindi naman siya sobrang laki, but it's enough na pinagkakasya. But the biggest part of it is we have the support of all the cast and the crew that we are very efficient. I think that's the key there. It's very efficient, meaning when the call time is 8 a.m. At 9 we are grinding already, and then sasagad kami until 9 we reach. We are very, very efficient with the help of and the cooperation of the crew. We wrap after 12 hours. We go home. We are in our hotel rooms after in 30 minutes time. That's something very different. And then dahil yan sa professionalism ng buong crew at buong cast at lahat ng producers. And then one thing that is different, if you ask me kung gaano kahirap, actually, all of these guys made my job very easy because they're really the best in what they do.
Well said, Derek Lester. Okay, we're going to our next question, which is kay Daniel. What was it like working on a genre hardcore action that's different than your signature rom-com and romantic drama? What was the most challenging and most rewarding part? And this is from Natalie Tomada ng Philippine Star.
Nakapag-warm up naman na kami dati ni Derek Lester sa Lalo na Sangre. Diba, nakasubok na ng konting action doon. And yeah, siyempre, it's very different. Pero iba rin to. Ito kasing action talaga. Magsimula yung araw mo, adrenaline rush na yun hanggang gabi. So, pagkadating mo sa hotel mo, very fulfilling din. Diba? Kasi may mga stunts din na hindi madadali. Pero pag nagawa namin yun, it's very fulfilling. So yeah, it's very different. Siyempre, kahit pa paano, it's still very new for me. Pero, masaya. Parang matagal-tagal ko rin gagawin to.
That's pretty good answer kasi ngayon nakikita din yung versatility. I remember working with Daniel in Lalo na Sangre, but this one, Incognito, is a different level. So, good job.
Thank you very much. And now let's go to our next question for Richard Gutierrez. Hi, Hi, Richard. Okay, this is about the Iron Heart naman. Okay, so this comes from Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Yung previous project mo na The Iron Heart was a huge success. Palakpakan po natin, yes? So the question is, may pressure ka bang nararamdaman na dapat matapatan o mahigitan pa ang naging tagumpay ng The Iron Heart?
There's always pressure. And if you want to succeed in this industry, you have to shine with that pressure, diba? Pressure is always part of it. But there's a saying na you're only as good as your last project. But this time around, I'm very thankful that I'm surrounded by a great group of artists, a great group of creatives, and I think we're gonna push the boundaries again with this one. We're gonna elevate the action once again with this one. And this time around, unsung kami. You know, hindi lang ako yung may pressure. Medyo napapasa ko sa kanila yung pressure. Diba? So, nag-dissipate yung pressure, which is actually a better feeling. We're working as a team and, you know, the pressure is as a team. But we enjoy that pressure and, you know, we have no choice but to shine with that pressure.
Speaking of pressure, Richard, this one goes out to Daniel. Daniel Padilla. As someone who comes from a family of action stars, kumusta ang pressure that you're fully embracing action? And that is from Natalie Tomado from Philippine Star.
Wala. Hindi, ano lang. Wala naman silang binibigay na pressure sa akin. So, wala rin naman akong nararamdaman na kaba o ano na kung ano dahil ito alam eh. I'm just doing my best, you know. So, kung anong kalabasan nun, I think that's it, you know. Kung ano man, basta I'm doing my best and I'm proud sa mga nagagawa namin lahat as a group. Sa trailer pa lang, I'm excited. Parang excited na pakita rin sa airpod ko to. Parang panis siya sa akin.
I like that answer.
Love you.
You know, it's a good answer because, like, you know, in something like this, you got to focus on yourself. You don't worry about anyone else. So focus on yourself. You are the one and only Daniel Padilla, right?
Yes.
Yeah, saka iba-iba naman ang timpla namin. Ano? I mean, magaling si Tito Robby, mahusay. Siyempre, di ba? Ang tatay ko nandun din, ang mga tito ko. Pero iba-iba rin kami ng timpla. Tingnan natin kung ano naman ang may offer ko. So, yun lang.
Awesome. Good job.
Such a humble answer, di ba? Pero ang ganda, ang nakuha ko dun sa sagot niya, imbes na pressure, may pride. Yung proud siyang, excited siyang ipakita na sa tatay niya, pero imbes na napapressure siya, parang excited siya na ipakita. So that's always good news at excited na rin tayong lahat mapanood